Welcome to my kitchen, everyone. I am so excited for today's video because we're going to be showing you guys my favorite raw vegan lunch ever. This is the most delicious, creamy, fine dining restaurant worthy tomato basil soup. It is literally to die for. And no, it is not cold, even though it's raw vegan. It is warmed up, and I'll show you just how. So why raw tomato soup? Why not just eat the cooked soup? Well, for me, when I turned to only raw foods in 2016, after trying many different diets, nothing reversed all my health problems until I went raw. And not only that, it literally just makes me feel like my best self and so high energy, so incredible, you guys, and so many other people I interview on this channel. So on this channel, we are just all about eating real food, whole food, even if it's cooked. But this dish is particularly raw, and it is so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be your new favorite. So I posted this inside my private membership community, Club Raw, and everybody's been trying it and they're obsessed. So let's hop right into the recipe. So we're gonna do like I said, a rich, beautiful tomato basil soup and a side salad. So we'll start with the ingredients for the soup. We're gonna cut up 3 cups of Roma tomatoes. And you guys, this recipe is easy. I only do easy, simple recipes. If it's too complicated, I don't do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. And it's delicious. So it's literally my go-to. We're gonna put, there's our first cup, and we'll do 2 more cups. We have our 3 cups of Roma tomatoes. And then we're gonna do ½ a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. So I get this brand at Sprouts. It's called Alessi, I think, or something, and they're soaked in olive oil. So I prefer when the sun-dried tomatoes are soaked in some olive oil for this particular dish. If your sun-dried tomatoes aren't already in olive oil, then I would recommend adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil to this dish. That's what I would do if I were you. We're gonna do 1 lemon. And this is such a good lunch, you guys. You're gonna fall in love with this as your lunch. You could do it as a dinner as well. But raw foods are amazing, and they just have all the water content, the life, the enzymes, so they make you feel really good after. And this particular meal just makes me feel so satisfied, full, and just amazing. And we're gonna also use a 1/4 cup of either soaked cashews or macadamia nuts. So these are macadamia nuts. Let me just go rinse them. Here we go, just adds a little bit of creaminess and a little bit of protein. And speaking of protein, we're also gonna add 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. You don't have to do this if you don't want, but I personally love it in it. Gives it a nice flavor. And nutritional yeast is really high in protein, so that can be good for us raw foodies. And it also is high in B12 and some other nutrients as well. So we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This gives it a nice flavor. And we're gonna do also a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, cracked black pepper. We are going to do ½ a teaspoon of dried oregano. And I'll give you a hack to warm up this soup so it's not cold, because I don't really like cold soups, you guys. I don't know about you. So it'll be warmed up, but it'll still be raw. And we're gonna do ½ a teaspoon of sea salt, which I just did. We are gonna add a handful of fresh basil. We are going to add ½ to 1 cup of fresh water. So I like about ½ a cup. Depends how creamy you like your soup. So you could always add a little more water if you want it a little bit more thinned out. And then, you guys, that's it. Oh, one more thing, I almost forgot, a small clove of garlic. So we will add a small clove of garlic, and then I will show you how we finish it. See how easy that is? You guys, raw food, it's even faster than cooked food. It's even easier, and it leaves you feeling amazing. So this meal is so nice, such a perfect lunch. So if you guys have a really good blender, like a Vitamix or a NAMA, which I have, which is amazing, you can put it on the soup setting. So I usually put it on the soup setting for a little bit, and then I move it over to high for like a minute or 2, so it warms up the soup without cooking it, and then you have a really nice warm temperature. So let's do that. All right, you guys, perfect tomato basil soup. Oh my gosh, this creamy soup, it's to die for. It's literally like something you'd have in a nice fine dining restaurant in New York, and it's all raw. It's amazing. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's insane. And I don't know if you could see, but there was steam coming off the blender. It's a nice warm temperature. It's just perfect. So let's test it out. Oh my gosh, the most satisfying soup I've ever had. This is my go-to lately. So I'm gonna put a little bit of basil on top, just like that. And that's it. It's a perfect lunch. And what I like to do on the side is I like to have a side salad lately, and I will put a couple of these raw crackers I found. So these are by Foods Alive, and they're sprouted crackers. But if you guys have the time, obviously make your own in the dehydrator. But I will add some fresh crackers to the side. And then my favorite way to have a salad on the side is just greens. I've done some shredded purple cabbage, some cauliflower, some cucumbers, and some celery. And then what I like to do for a dressing lately, it's kind of Dr. Brooke Goldner style vibes because it's high in the omega-3s. So I like to put some flax oil, super anti-inflammatory, you guys. Like, she uses it in her protocol to heal a lot of people. So I like to do flax oil, and then I also like to add some extra nutritional yeast. So this is optional. I know some people do or don't like nutritional yeast. So it adds a nice little flavor to the salad. And it's, again, high in protein and high in many different nutrients. And then I also like to add a little bit of turmeric. So I put that on top, really anti-inflammatory. And it's a perfect little lunch combo, you guys, especially in like the winter time. Oh my gosh, check it out. I just love it. Look at this. And it looks so fancy and it's so delicious. And more importantly, it leaves you feeling amazing. So this meal is actually very filling, very satisfying, and just leaves you feeling good. So that's what I like. That's what we're all about on this channel. And if you guys want to connect with me more, come over to Club Raw on School. It's my private community where we constantly have new recipes going in all the time. We have an amazing community of hundreds of people constantly sharing their stories, their healing stories, and their journey. And we go live every week where we actually see each other and connect with each other, which is great, which helps so much on a healthy lifestyle. In this world we live in where people aren't that healthy, come connect with us. And I'm always doing giveaways, and you get all my ebooks and my course when you sign up. It's so valuable. It's amazing. So I'll put the link down below and check it out because we have a meetup coming soon, maybe in a city near you. And I love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.